Okay, I'm going to try this one more time. Everybody listen. You get up. I'm one of the members. I get up in the morning, I take my shower, I drink a little bit of coffee, then I put on my bathing suit, and then I put on my clothes that I'm going to wear, and then I get on the bus, we go where we're going. When we come back, we take a shower, and we can put on our clothes again and then go to the pyramid. So, you are not going to wear your bathing suit in the Great Pyramid. There's no reason to wear a bathing suit in the Great Pyramid. There's no swimming pool in there. There's no water in the sarcophagus. And I don't know what you're thinking by thinking that you thought you would wear your bathing suit in the Great Pyramid. That makes no sense whatsoever. But that's the problem with you Americans. You never listen. You never listen. Always conflict, 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 and you just drop a bomb. If you just listen and dialogue, maybe you would stop dropping bombs all over the place just like this. And so, when I say that I like to see you suffer, actually you laugh because you think I am kidding, but I am not kidding, I mean it. You Americans are so stupid. Stupid! Anyway, not really, I love you all.